Aarhus. A lot of us have worked here together. Some of us was here yesterday to start the camp, and we have a lot of guests today to follow this final session, and especially welcome to you at this moment. We are very happy to have you here, and we know it's very prestigious for Helsinki to make good presentations. Just to stress the presenters a bit here in the beginning. So I will start to just to mention what was the start of this camp and what was the aim of this camp. My name is Knut Schultz, and I'm manager of the main library in Aarhus. And I have worked together with Maja and Christina in several years. And for a year ago, in not a camp, but a meeting for managers from the whole Scandinavia, we discussed the things we have as problems together. We were sharing the problems in building new library buildings. And that's one of our goals for this camp, to discuss the different problems related to new buildings. And Maja and Christina was very, very kind and asked us to come here in Helsinki, and we have been happy to be here, and sure the representatives from Stockholm, as we have been happy to be here. And we are honored, of course, to be here because it's maybe the most awarded library in the world. I think the Bill Gates Award, the Design Award, and the Innovation Award, and so on. So we are really pleased to be here, and we congratulate Helsinki with the prizes, the last ones they have won. When we talked about this shared conditions between Helsinki and Aarhus, and after that with Stockholm, we were discussed that one of our problems is that we really need to question our library thinking, because new buildings must have to develop some presumptions before we can build the building, because we can't make buildings just as the situation, based on the situation, just as it is today. So we have to make some presumptions, and that is a part of this presumption that we have done in this camp today. So we also know that the development of libraries needs involvement and motivated and engaged staff. And it was our aim that this camp should give the opportunity to a deeper discussion between a lot of our staff members, very motivated and engaged staff members, and I have followed the discussions yesterday and today in some of the groups, and I can share with you that they are really, really, really motivated and engaged in discussion and developing a library for the future. And we also think that network could be very, very interesting between Helsinki and Stockholm and Aarhus, because we know that it's maybe not the best libraries in the north, maybe not the best libraries in Europe, and maybe not the best libraries in the world, but some of the best, at least. Together, yes. Together, we are absolute in the best end of the libraries, we think. So, that was a part of the network setup. And of course, we need to share knowledge. We know that sharing knowledge relies on communication. We can't not only make presentations, we also have to communicate.